Let's start by going to the App Store in cal.com. Cal.com makes it very easy to create an integration with your CRM using Make. Make is an automation tool. Go ahead and install the app. You'll see all the instructions, generate API key, copy this for later. Go ahead, click on Make Invite link. It takes you to cal.com app. Here's the app. Install it. It'll take you through the installation procedure on Make. And once it's done, you can get started with creating a scenario. So here we create a new scenario. Start by adding the cal.com module to your scenario. You'll see the option for the installed app here. Click on Watch Booking Created. This means your scenario will trigger every time someone schedules with your cal.com link. Now we need to create a bridge between cal.com and Make by setting up the API key. This ensures that they can talk to each other. Here we use the API key that we saved earlier and set up the connection. This is pretty simple to set up, just follow the instructions, and we now have the trigger handled. It's time to create the workflow that adds the contacts scheduling through cal.com to your database. I'm using Airtable as my database. Select Create Record Event for your tool. You can select any tool of your choice, whether it's Airtable, Google Sheets, or any other CRM. Specify the database or sheet you want to use for contacts. Now you will get the choice to add the fields you would like to set. I will be using name and email. You can even add further fields from cal.com. Here I select the name of the person scheduling and the email of the person scheduling. This completes my record creation in Airtable workflow. Now, what if someone schedules with you multiple times? We don't want multiple contacts to be created for the same person. We handle this by adding a search and filter. Add a module to search for your CRM. Here I select Airtable and I will go ahead and select the table that I use for contacts. I will filter that table using email. So here's my email filter and select the email of the person scheduling from cal.com. What this module does is it returns any records that may exist in my database for that email. Let's create a filter before the contact creation module. This filter is to check if the returned results are 0. This means that unless the results of the previous module are 0, the workflow should not go ahead to the next module, which is contact creation. This makes sure that you are not adding any duplicate entries. It keeps your database clean and organized. Now for the fun part. Before you go live, always do a test run. Click on Run Once, which activates the scenario only once. Schedule a meeting on your cal.com link and watch the magic happen. The scenario gets triggered and the contacts are effortlessly added to your Airtable. And there you have it. Setting up this automation was a breeze, and it kickstarts your CRM by automatically adding your leads to the database. No more manual data entry. Happy automating!